SY प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन एक वेगळ्या बुकमधून एक्झाम्पल आहे, ते तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिसेल, तिथून नोट करा किंवा ते रेफर करा. मी वाचूनही दाखवतो. शुअर सक्सेस लिमिटेड वॉज इनकॉर्पोरेटेड ऑन 1st March 2004. Incorporation date 1st March 2004. Okay. But acquired a running business from 1st January 2004. That means acquisition date 1st January, incorporation date, actual registration date 1st March. Then the purchase price was agreed at rupees 1,80,000. Total payable amount of the business 1,80,000 in equity shares and debentures. The following profit and loss account was prepared for the year ended 31st December 2004. Acquisition date 1st January, ending date December. That means calendar year. That means first calculate time ratio. Time ratio. Total 12 months period. Business acquired on 1st January 2004. And profit loss year ending date 31st December 2004. 12 months period. Starts on acquired on 1st January and ends on 31st December. But date of acquisition, incorporation, but acquired running business from 1st January starting, and incorporation date 1st March. Incorporation 1st March 2004. That means before incorporation, pre-period. Okay. Acquisition date, incorporation date 1st March, acquired from 1st January. That means January to 1st March. March 1st day. That means excluding 1st day, 1st March. That means complete 3 months, January and February. January and February. And then post period. Post period from 1st March means March to December. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That means remaining 10 months. Okay. That means 2 months is to 10 months. Okay. That means first time ratio 2:10 means 1:5. Okay. Time ratio 1:5. Then next information. The sales for the months of January and February 2004 are half of the monthly average sales for the remaining year. January, February, first 2 months half on average of the remaining period. That means second sales ratio. Total 12 months sales. Suppose January start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months. Out of 12 months, first 2 months averagely half. Then remaining months full 1 month. Then total of the sale half plus half, that means 1 and remaining 10 months 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10. First 2 months half means 1. That means sales ratio 1:10. Okay. Then next working. The purchase price was settled on 1st April 2004 and interest at a 6% per annum was paid on purchase price for 3 months from 1st January 2004. Just calculate. Purchase price, agreed price 1,80,000 in first paragraph. On that amount 1,80,000, calculate 6% amount for 3 months. How much? Calculate 1,80,000 into 6%. 1,80,000 into 6%. That amount, full year amount, divided by 12 into 3, 2,700. That amount already debited to interest paid on purchase consideration 2,700. Okay. आता लक्ष द्या 2,700 interest paid on purchase consideration, but that amount for the months paid on the purchase price was settled on 1st April. 1st April, on the first day of April, that means after 3 months completed. लक्ष द्या समोर महिने आहेत. 1st April ला जर पेमेंट केलं असेल तर किती महिने संपले? जानेवारी, फेब्रुवारी, मार्च. Okay, 3 months late. That means next working, interest to lender. Amount paid on 1st April, that means 3 months late. Out of 3 months, pre-period 2 months and post-period 1 month. That means ratio 2:1. Around 1st April, January, February, March, 3 months complete. That means pre-period and post-period. That means 2 months and 1 month. That means ratio 2:1. Okay. Then the furniture was sold in January 2004. Information relates to P&L debit side. To loss on sale of furniture. To loss on sale of furniture. हा लॉस कोणत्या पिरियड मध्ये आहे? प्री की पोस्ट की दोन्ही? The furniture was sold in January 2004. January means first month. That means complete month in a pre-period. That means total amount, loss amount in a pre-period. Okay. Loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture in pre-period. Full amount, complete pre-period amount. Then हे वर्किंग नोट करा. Okay. Next working, salary expense. First expense, salary expense. Information about salary. The number of employees in the staff of the organization during the first 2 months was 10. Thereafter, it was increased to 15. That means pre-period. Okay, 2 months into 10 workers, 10 employees. Okay. Then post period, pre period 2 months, that means remaining months 10 months post period, into number of workers 15 employees. That means total number of employees 2 into 10 20 and 15 into 10 150. Okay, that means by cancelling 10, that means the ratio 2:15. For salary, ratio 2:15. Then interest on investment has been earned on investment made on 1st April. 1st April means pre-period. Complete income, pre-period income. Interest on investment. Interest on investment pre-period. Okay. पहले नोट करून घ्या, बाकी सॉल्व करूया. Okay, interest on investment 1st April. 1st April means January, February, only 2 months pre, remaining months post, that means complete post period only. Okay. Okay, so तुम्ही अकाउंट्स आणि अमाउंट्स नोट केले असतीलच. फर्स्ट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट बेसिस सेल्स 2,17,800. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, ओके, ऍक्च्युअल तो पोस्ट पिरियड. नंतर इन्व्हेस्टमेंटची डेट दिलेली आहे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट has been earned on investment made on 1st April. January, February only 2 months pre-period. Interest on investment post period only. That means post period. Then share transfer fees also post period. Then salaries. As per salaries ratio 2:15. First 2 months 10 workers. Then next 10 months 15 workers. On the basis of total number of workers, ratio 2:15. Then office expense time ratio amount 7,200. Rent taxes time ratio 1:5, 6,300. Selling expenses sales ratio 1:10. First 2 months half, then complete 1. Then interest on carriage outwards sales ratio 1:10, 3,300. Interest on debentures post, debtors fees post, preliminary expenses post, interest on purchase consideration. Okay, ratio 2:1. Ratio interest to vendor 2:1. First April payment, that means January, February, March, 3 months complete. Out of 3 months, 2 months pre, 1 month post. Then loss on sale of furniture pre-period. Sale of furniture information. The furniture was sold on 1st January. January means first month, pre-period month. That means complete amount pre-period. Then dividend on shares. Dividend in a company, that means post period. तर हे अमाउंट आता आपण डिवाइड करून घेऊ. तुम्ही सोबत कॅल्क्युलेशन करा पाहिजे तर. फर्स्ट सेल्स रेशो 1:10. अमाउंट 2,17,800 divided by 11. Single share 19,800 and remaining 1,98,000. तुम्ही चेक करून बघा, कॅल्क्युलेशन करून बघा, तुमचे अमाउंट्स तुम्हाला करेक्ट वाटतील. देन ऍक्च्युअल interest on investment post period 1,800 and share transfer fees also post period. Then salary ratio 2:15. amount of 1,02,000 divided by 17 into 2, that means 12,000 pre-period, and same 1,02,000 divided by 17 into 15, 90,000. Then office expense time ratio 7,200 divided by 6 into 1, 1,200, and into 5, 6,000. Same time ratio 6,300 divided by 6 into 1, 1,050, and into 5, 5,250. Then selling expenses sales ratio 19,800 divided by 11, 1,800, and into 10, 18,000. Same 3,300 divided by 11, single share 300, and into 10, 10 shares 3,000. Then post, complete post 4,000, complete post 7,200, preliminary complete post 8,000. Then interest on purchase consideration 2,700 divided by 3, that means 900 and 1,800. Then loss interest on PC double single, that means 1,800 and 900 single. Then loss on sale of furniture pre-period 900. Then dividend on shares post period 9,000. ओके, तर कॅल्क्युलेशन चेक करा आणि टोटल्स करून घ्या, क्लोज करूया. ओके, तर टोटल्स तुम्ही केले असतीलच. First total income 2,19,900, pre-period 19,800, and post period 2,100, 200, 100. Then expenses total expense 1,70,400. Then pre 19,050. And post 151,350. Okay. Then net profit, total profit 49,500. आपल्या प्रॉफिट लॉस मध्ये आहेच आहे. प्री पिरियड 19,800 minus 19,050, only 750. And that means capital profit. Okay, and 2,100 minus 151,350, 48,750. That means revenue. Okay, check करा. एक्झाम्पल डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स मधून नोट करा नोटबुक मध्ये, कारण हे वेगळ्या बुक मधून आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये महत्त्वाचे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आहेत, थोडे वेगळे आहेत, डिफरंट आहेत. तर सगळे वर्किंग्स पण मी तुम्हाला दिले, ते चेक करा आणि हे कम्प्लीट सोल्युशन चेक करा. काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा.